Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams CAA5004B error. Access settings from the Start menu. There in Apps, open Installed Apps. You will search for Microsoft Teams. When you do so, click on the three dots and choose Advanced Options. Now at the bottom, click on Repair. Wait for the application to be repaired. After this, click on Reset. Confirm by clicking on Reset again and wait for this process to finish. To apply the changes and correct the error, restart the system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.